In this video, Dason AI Studio brings you a design with a strong sense of technology. The tech-savvy interior design integrates futuristic aesthetics, creating a modern and innovative living environment through the use of cool-toned colors, modern materials such as metal and glass, streamlined furniture design, intelligent lighting systems, open space layouts, abstract or tech-themed decorations, smart home integration, and the use of eco-friendly materials. This style visually pursues simplicity, smoothness, and reflective effects, with a preference for materials that have an industrial and technological feel. The layout emphasizes the fluidity and flexibility of space, and the decorations favor elements with artistic and futuristic qualities. Additionally, tech-savvy interior design also focuses on the intelligence and environmental friendliness of the home. The integration of smart home systems enhances the convenience and comfort of living, and the use of renewable and energy-saving materials reflects an emphasis on sustainable development. Overall, with its unique style and design techniques, tech-savvy interior design explores and pursues the aesthetics of technology and future lifestyles, leading a new trend in interior design. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to collaborate with us, please contact us through the method provided at the end of the video. See you in our next video.